Welcome to the tip of the month. And this month, the tip is got choices? So I was speaking with a dear friend of mine this morning, and she shared about one of her customers who had multiple health issues and poor quality of life. Now, her customer is the same age as her, and when they were talking about, their health, her customer told her, "But you made better choices." My friend proceeded to tell her she can make different choices now. Her customer responded with, "It's too late." My friend replied, "It is never too late." And she was spot on. Yes, it's true. We all have choices to make each and every day. Yes, it's true. If we make what are considered poor choices, such as eating lots of junk food, never exercising, we will reap what we sow. Over time, our risk of developing issues that detract from the quality of our life can lead to chronic pain. Spending our days in medical waiting rooms and being unable to enjoy activities that we used to take part in without effort. There's also the scenario of someone who did all the right things, but they had an accident or injury that impacted their life, not for the better. Now that's a deeper subject. But all of that, what I just said, is the bad news. Now for the good news. You have just read, hopefully you've read, a 3-part series that busted myths about aging with decline. This means that my friend's customer didn't have to decline, right? We didn't say it was a myth because it doesn't happen. We said it was a myth because everybody believes it has to happen, and it doesn't have to. So the really good news is that it is not too late to make different choices. It is never too late to make different choices. So not only can her customer prevent further decline, but she also has a chance of reversing some, even all, of the decline she has now. Now, I don't know all her specific issues, but a lot of things can be improved almost miraculously when you're making the right choices and doing the right things. Yes, regaining strength and function is quite doable, no matter your age. Do you remember my story about the 86-year-old man who needed help to get up from a chair? And he trained safely, achieved leg presses of over 200 pounds in just a few weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. He had no trouble getting up after that. I've had people over 100 years old doing squats in parallel bars. Your age really does not keep you from getting better. What can keep you from getting better is wrong choices and not knowing how to train safely, not knowing the right things to do, right? I've also seen many individuals restore health and eliminate the need for meds. I've witnessed countless people resolve pain and get their physical function and lives back, many of whom were 70 years of age or older, right up through into their 90s and over 100. So it's never too late to make different choices. Your future may depend upon it. Your future does depend upon the choices you make. So the tip of the month: choose to make better choices to have lifelong well-being. I'll see you next month.